Hello everyone, my name is Pearl and I'm going to tell you a part of my story. As we all know, everyone's life is filled with special people. For some individuals, their parents are special, and for others, their dog or cat is special. But for me, it is my friends that are special. Since I was a kid, I used to hate school so much that I used to sleep in the classroom because I had no true friends at that time. I have always wanted someone to accompany me and listen to me. Even though I was good at making friends, there was still emptiness in my heart for the proper person. At some point, none of my friends stayed with me and they all left me all alone. I used to think it was me, not them, when things went wrong. In fact, I saw my best friend turning into stranger, so I decided to keep distance from everyone, believing that true friends never exist. But they proved me wrong. Yes, Esma, Christie, Simran, Juven proved me wrong. I first met them when I was in the 10th grade, and I didn't chat to them very much, but whenever I chat with them, I felt happy. When the time came to leave high school and enter higher secondary school, everyone was unhappy to be leaving, except me. I was happy to be leaving that school, but deep inside me, I was sad that I would never see them again. But what a coincidence that I met them again in the same school and same class, and it was as if my joy had returned. I only knew them because they were the only people I knew at the school time. But as time went on, I met friends who convinced me that people like them exist. People who never turn their back on you when you're going through some toughest moment. Let me tell you, we have been friends for 3.5 years now, but we all are not same. You're probably wondering why they are so important to me. When people try to show me their negative side, they encourage me with their positivity. There was a time when I felt useless or as if I wasn't perfect, but they saw everything that was great and beautiful in me. They were always there for me when I needed them the most. Friends are individuals that stick by you in both good and bad times, not just when you are happy. This is something I have noticed in them. Everyone can be there for you on good days, but not everyone can be there for you on bad days. I might never realized it, but yes, they are my personal therapy and my shining stars. To conclude with, I have nothing much to say, but I'm grateful to have them in my life and hope that everyone is fortunate enough to have the friends like them.